Something is happening in your living room right now. It is a quiet revolution, and it is not just another random software update from your streaming provider. We are currently witnessing the absolute death of the smart TV as we know it. We are also watching the birth of something far more powerful. You probably have a beautiful flat-screen TV on your wall right now. Maybe it is an LG, a Samsung, or a Vizio. You likely spent a lot of money on that gorgeous 4K panel. But I have to tell you the harsh truth about your living room setup. You are missing out on nearly half of your television's actual potential. Every time you pick up your remote and use the built-in apps on your TV, you are making a massive mistake. You are taking that expensive, premium screen and feeding it through a dirt-cheap $5 processor. That tiny chip is struggling. It is lagging every single time you try to scroll through a menu. It takes forever to load a simple app. And worst of all, it is actively spying on your viewing habits and selling your data. You deserve a much better experience. You need a device that actually respects your privacy and your time. Enter the highly anticipated 2026 Apple TV 4K. For many years, the tech community called the Apple TV a mere hobby. Critics were loud. They said it was way too expensive for what it offered. They constantly asked why anyone would pay well over $100 for an Apple box when you could just go buy a basic Roku stick for $30. That was a valid question for a long time. But in 2026, those critics have suddenly gone completely silent. Apple has done something that absolutely no one saw coming. They did not just make another basic streaming box to compete with the cheap plastic sticks on the market. They built a true supercomputer. It is a console-killing, AI-driven, privacy-first powerhouse. And it fits perfectly right in the palm of your hand. This is the exact device that is about to make your expensive PlayStation 5 feel completely redundant for casual gaming. This is the device that will finally make your smart home feel actually smart for the very first time. If you're living in a world today trying to navigate the absolute chaos of the modern streaming wars, this box is no longer just a fun accessory. It is a strict survival tool for your daily entertainment. Let us talk about the pure speed of this new machine. We absolutely have to start with the silicon inside, because that is exactly where the real magic lies. The 2026 Apple TV 4K is heavily rumored to be powered by the incredibly robust A18 Pro chip. I want you to really think about that fact for a second. That is the exact same flagship processor found inside the highest-end, most expensive iPhones on the market. It is a cutting-edge 3-nanometer powerhouse. It features an advanced neural engine that is completely capable of performing trillions of operations every single second. You might be wondering why a simple box hooked up to your TV needs that much raw computing power. The answer is simple. It is not just about making Disney Plus or Netflix open a few seconds faster. It is all about Apple Intelligence. This is the future of how we interact with our media. Imagine your typical evening. You come home after a very long, stressful day at work. You finally sit down on your comfortable couch. You just want to relax and watch a good show. The last thing you want to do is spend 20 frustrating minutes endlessly scrolling through clunky menus. You do not want to bounce between 5 different apps, just trying to remember which streaming service actually has that one specific show you want to watch. We all hate that experience. With the brand new, large language model powered Siri, that entire problem disappears. You simply speak to your remote, but you do not have to speak like a stiff, programmed robot anymore. You can talk normally. You can literally just say, Siri, find me the show where the guy is a chef in Chicago, but only play the episodes where he is actually winning. This is where the magic happens. Because of the massive on-device processing power of the A18 Pro chip, Siri does not just do a basic text search. It actually understands human context. It instantly scans your entire personal library. It checks Max, Hulu, Apple TV Plus, and even YouTube all at the exact same time. Then, it seamlessly presents you with the exact moment and the exact episode you were looking for. This feature alone is the absolute end of scroll fatigue. This is exactly what we have all been waiting for since the invention of the television remote control. It gives you your time back. But we need to look even closer and get into the nitty-gritty of the hardware. This is exactly where the audience is going to see the biggest, most undeniable value. We are finally seeing the massive jump to 8 gigabytes of RAM in the base model of the Apple TV. This is a huge deal. 8 gigabytes is the golden number for running Apple Intelligence smoothly. It is a total game changer for your living room. This massive boost in memory allows the Apple TV to keep your entire smart home state fully loaded in the background at all times. Think about what that actually means for your daily life. When your Nest doorbell suddenly rings, or when your Ecobee thermostat decides to adjust the temperature, the Apple TV does not have to wake up, load an app, and interrupt your movie to tell you about it. The information is already there in the memory. It can instantly overlay a crystal clear, totally lag-free 4K video feed of your front porch right over the movie you are watching. And it does this seamlessly without dropping a single frame of your intense 4K Dolby Vision movie stream. It is a perfectly smooth, uninterrupted experience. That is the power of proper hardware optimization. Speaking of streaming high-quality video, we really need to sit down and talk about the great buffering myth. Almost everyone believes that their internet provider is the main problem whenever a movie starts to stutter or drop in quality. You probably get mad at your router or your internet plan, but usually your internet speed is totally fine. The actual bottleneck is almost always the cheap, outdated Wi-Fi chip buried inside your smart TV. The 2026 Apple TV 4K completely solves this frustrating issue. It introduces blazing fast Wi-Fi 7 technology to your living room. We live in a world where our households are becoming incredibly crowded with connected devices. Your home network is constantly choked by laptops, tablets, smart lights, a Peloton bike, and mobile phones all fighting for signal. Wi-Fi 7 cuts through all of that severe network congestion like a hot knife through butter. It guarantees a stable, ultra-fast connection. It finally eliminates the spinning, buffering wheel of death for good. You will actually get the smooth 4K streaming experience you pay for every month. In my honest opinion, this new Apple TV 4K is an absolute triumph of consumer technology. It takes a broken, frustrating daily experience and fixes it with raw power and brilliant artificial intelligence. We spend hours every single week staring at our televisions. It makes absolutely no sense to compromise on the brain that is powering that expensive screen. The A18 Pro chip is a masterclass in performance. The integration of Apple Intelligence is going to change how we consume media forever. No more lagging menus. No more stolen data. No more endless scrolling to find show. This device respects your privacy. It values your limited free time, and it finally delivers a premium, high-end experience that your beautiful 4K TV panel actually deserves. It completely justifies its price tag and officially puts the cheap streaming sticks to shame. If you like the video, please subscribe, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon for all the latest tech updates.